Great dusky swifts are waterfall specialists. There is life. Delicate swifts. Even amongst this tumultuous violence, there is life. Delicate swifts fly through the walls of water. Great dusky swifts are waterfall specialists. They will build their nests behind a waterfall. Shortage of space. Swifts are competing. The curious little ones are led by their noses. The mothers share the duties of raising the youngsters and even nurse each other's team spirit. They prefer to work alone when it comes to building their nests with soft moss. The waterfall is the center of the swifts' lives, but they must leave it to feed.